Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to insert a dropped cap in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert drop cap. In this document select a text. Now I select this L text. Then go to the insert menu and click drop cap drop down menu. Then choose dropped, and we can see here we insert a drop cap very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.